You are welcome to the Wealthy Continent channel, a channel dedicated to the great people and continent of Africa. One of the most precious gifts you and I have been given is our mind. And if we are going to maximize it, then consistent renewal is non-negotiable. Please think about it. If it makes sense to you, use it. Otherwise, bin it. What is in you is more than what any man or woman can give to you. However, it will take wisdom and acceptance of personal responsibility to take advantage of the potentials in you. Remember, perspective matters. Thanks for watching. We will see you next time.